Assorted Cable Zip Ties Pack.
This 400 pack of assorted cable zip ties includes sizes of 4, 6, 8, and 12 inches. Made from durable nylon for versatile usage in home, office, garden, and workshop settings. Each tie features a self-locking design for secure fastening and can hold various weights based on size. Variety of sizes. The assortment of sizes 4, 6, 8, and 12 inches allows users to select the perfect length for their specific needs, enhancing convenience for various projects. Self-locking design. The self-locking feature ensures that the ties hold securely without slipping, making them reliable for organizing cables and securing items. Great value for money. With a price point of $4.79 for 400 ties, users find this pack to be economical, providing significant value compared to purchasing smaller packs. Multi-purpose use. These zip ties are suitable for a wide range of applications, from home organization to outdoor projects, making them versatile for different tasks. Mixed quality. Customer feedback indicates a mixed perception of quality, with some users reporting that certain ties feel flimsy or cheap compared to others. Durability issues. Several customers experienced issues with durability, noting that the ties can break easily under stress or over time, which compromises their reliability. Functionality concerns. Functionality seems inconsistent, with only a portion of the ties being fully functional, leading to dissatisfaction for some buyers. Breakage risk. Due to the concerns about durability, users are advised against using these ties for critical applications, as they may not withstand heavy use or outdoor conditions. These cable zip ties are a practical choice for those needing an assortment of sizes for various projects at a reasonable price. However, potential buyers should be aware of the mixed reviews regarding quality and durability, which might impact their utility for heavy-duty tasks. For casual use, they present a good value. For more demanding applications, consider alternative options.
Are you excited to make a purchase? Or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!